Welcome to my house. So we'll be having class kind of on here from now on. And so I wanted to introduce the first project to you, which is a color wheel scavenger hunt. First thing that you're gonna need to do is to gather some supplies. So please make sure you get permission from whoever's stuff it is that you're going to be using. You're gonna be getting things that go along with the colors in the color wheel. So pick one of the color wheels from here and then try and get at least 2 items for each color that go all the way around. So I'll show you some examples of how to do this in my example during the next part of the video.
Perfect. Yellow, orange. Yellow. Oh, yellow. We like a lot of Reese's in this house, so that works for orange. Then we want to take all of our stuff that we have collected and make it into a circle shape for our color wheel. Yellow at the top. I still need a yellow green. Perfect. Okay, so once you have put everything into your color wheel, you want to take a picture of it. So you want to make sure that you either do it from above or from the side, just so that you can include all of the colors that are in your color wheel. I want to make sure that I can see all of the colors in that circle shape. So after you finish creating your color wheel, send me a picture on Google Classroom of all the things that you found. Happy hunting! You're not even in the right color. You're with the purples. You should be over there. As in, you're not purple. No matter how hard you try, you're not purple. You're not blue either. You need to come over to this side. You need to learn what your colors are.